Hey guys, welcome back to my living room update. I do have an update that came in this morning. I was so excited, so I wanted to share it with you guys. I will be unboxing it, and I'm also going to be sharing with you like how I like changed around my living room once again. I am never ever like fully satisfied. I guess I'm a slight like perfectionist, I guess you can say. So I'll be sharing with you that, and like look at this big old like mirror. So it's a mirror. I cannot wait to unpack it. Oh my gosh. So Wayfair brought it in this morning and they were like, well, we're just gonna leave it at the door. And I'm like, like I can't carry this thing upstairs, so could y'all please help a sister out and bring it upstairs. So they were nice enough to bring it upstairs, and I'm going to unbox it. I cannot wait. Hopefully I can pick this thing up because it is super heavy. So yeah, let me go ahead and unbox this thing and see how it is looking. So this came on the perfect day. It's trash day, so I'm about to put all this outside. Oh my gosh, like this thing is huge. Oh my gosh, and it's like super heavy. Oh, I don't even know if I know how to pick it up. Oh my gosh, it is so heavy. Oh my gosh, y'all, look, so I am so tired from moving this thing around. It is so heavy, but it is huge. Oh my gosh, I'm in love with it. I don't know if I want to keep it in this corner right here. That was my idea. I kind of feel like I should put it in this corner, but I'm gonna have to wait for my husband to get home so I can move it around. I'm so out of breath. Oh my gosh. And Rocky was no help. He was no help. But yes, this thing is huge. Oh my gosh. But I love it though. Like, it's a nice little arch mirror. And I love how it really makes the living room look a little bigger too. So I am going to try to like move it over a little bit. But yeah, let me see what I can do. We got this mirror in this corner right here. This thing is huge, but I really love it. Whew, it got like fingerprints and everything on here because like your girl was trying her best to get it in this corner without letting it fall. I really love how it makes my living room look a little larger. I love also how like if you look in the mirror, like you can see the plant, just to kind of make it look a little fuller. But I wanted to put the plant like back right here. I don't know, so I'm gonna see how that looks. And I did move my console table on this side. I just thought it looked way better on this side. I don't know what I'm gonna put by the TV, but I do want to get a coffee table. Still deciding on which one I want to get. I know I keep talking about a coffee table, but I feel like you need a coffee table in the living room. But anyway, I did put the console table over here, and I think it looks really nice. Especially once I put like a picture or something like that up on top. But I think it looks really nice over here. Y'all let me know what you think. It looks super cute. I do want to switch out this lamp. Not right now, but I do love having like a lamp right here, just for some extra lighting, because we don't have any lighting in the living room. I do have my ring light on for some extra light, but I think it looks really nice. And I just, you know, styled it up really cute with a candle, some books. Y'all, Target Hearth and Hand be having like some really nice candles. I got this one, Salt, so cute. And I love like the little cement little thing that it's in. And then on this side I just put like a little bowl with some beads and a vase with my little whatever these are, olive branches, trees, or whatever inside of that. And then I just have the same decor that I had in here on the other side. So yeah, I think it looks nice. I don't know what my obsession is with large furniture, but I feel like if you get like nice large pieces, not oversized, but you know, large enough, then you don't have to put like a whole bunch of small pieces in your space. So yeah, I'm going to see how the plant looks right here. Yeah, and I do want to get like another accent chair to place in here as well. But this is the living room. Oh my gosh, I'm about to fall. This is the living room. I got the plant right here. So this is what it looks like when you first like walk in the living room. So yeah. Alright, so this look cute or whatever, but now I just feel like everything is on just one side, like mirror, plant, console table, like straight line. But I think it looks cute. I don't know what y'all think. Let me know. Y'all, also too, look, let me know if you think I should get like an area rug in here. My shoe is in the way. But let me know if you think I should get an area rug. I'm not completely sold on an area rug right now, but I don't know. Tell me what y'all think. Yeah, I like it like that. I'm gonna have to move that vase over because it's like plant. But ew. Let me know. Alright, so I think I am going to switch just this vase over here because it's just like too much plants going on. So I'm thinking of just like switching it over to this side, so they're not so close together. And also too, so this side can have like a little bit of something going on with the greenery. So yeah, let me see how that goes. Let me just take this baby and place it this over here. Okay. And then place this over here. Okay. Not bad. And look cute or whatever. It's cute. I kind of like this day right here too. I was going to switch this over, but I kind of like it. I like it. Yeah, so let me back up. I like the lamp on that side though. Whatever, so we'll see. But I'm gonna just keep it like this for now. So update on the couch. The couch is doing really good. I did spray like some fabric protector or something like that on there. I do get like a lot of hair because like Rocky doesn't sit on this couch. He better not sit on this couch. He tried a few times, but I did spray like this fabric protector and then like the Folex, and then I also like just vacuum every day. Not every day, but like I guess when I clean up, I will just kind of run a vacuum over it, and then I will use a lint brush. Like I have this. If you have pets, definitely try to get this lint brush right here. I got it from Target, and it just, you know, picks up all the pet hair. But I also have this Folex, like if you have, well, shoot, if you have any furniture, just go ahead and get this. It really does a good job with cleaning up like stains. I use it on my bar stools because they are light, and I've been using it on my couch. Like if I notice any like stains or anything, I will use this with a white rag though. Like don't use a colored rag because I think it'll like dye it. But this is the stain guard that I use for the couch, and since I sprayed it, it's been okay. Like I haven't noticed like any stains. Like I know when we first got it, and like if you would touch it, it would get like a stain. But like since I sprayed that fabric protector, it's been doing pretty well. So yeah, and it's a really comfortable couch, so I don't want to just like make it like show good. I want to, you know, sit in here and, you know, relax and enjoy it. So yeah, but I am going to like clean up in here really quick because with the box and like the styrofoam, it looks a little crazy. So I'm about to vacuum and then dust, and I'll be right back.
I'm telling you that there ain't no other way. Pack your bags and then you will go away. I'm not gonna be begging you to stay. Said maybe if you asked me yesterday, I would handle this shit differently. Things are different, I'm a new me. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. That's not gonna happen. So even if you're asking, even if you're asking, 'cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new. Yeah, gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. Ooh. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, telling you it ain't what I thought. Don't wanna be stuck in a spot, 'cause I don't really like what I got, so I changed it bit by bit. It's not ungrateful, just being helpful for me and you. 'Cause we gotta go our own way, gotta go our own way. Yeah, this was not a good stay, gotta go our own way. 'Cause I do what I do, and it's time for something new. Yeah, gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Gotta know when to let go. Sometimes giving up can make it grow. Can make it grow. Can make it grow. I don't appreciate the change.
Alright, so here is like a little stain that I noticed. Nothing big, nothing major, but of course, like I said, with it being white, you can definitely see it. So like I said, I'm gonna use my Folex and kind of spray a little bit on here, and I just like blot it. And you can see how it like just comes up. Voila, now we just gotta wait for it to dry. And what stain? I don't know, where is that? But yeah, so that's what I do to kind of just keep it clean. Like I said, the Folex has been working, hopefully it continues to work, because yeah, I can imagine a lot of stains on this bad boy. So I'm getting ready to make myself some breakfast. It is only 10 o'clock. Like, I did all of this before 10 o'clock. So I'm getting ready to eat. Probably sit outside, get some work done. I don't even know what I'm going to eat. So I'm not really a breakfast person. I will like get some coffee early in the morning, and then like I'm not hungry till like 12. But I'm hungry now, I guess, because I worked up an appetite. So I'm getting ready to give myself something to eat, y'all. So I've been wanting to like treat myself to like flowers every single week. So I got these lilies. But I got them. But I got the ones that haven't even like bloomed yet. And yeah, they're starting to bloom and they're so cute. Y'all know I love flowers. Like, so I told myself that would be something that I do, you know, like every week or so, and just like get myself some fresh flowers. Alright, y'all, thank you so much for watching. I will see you guys in the next video, in my next home update vlog. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up. Leave me some comments down below. And if you aren't already, go ahead and click on that subscribe button. I will see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.